Welcome to Neometrics Engineering Private Limited, New Delhi, Noida, India. You see here snubber test bench, fully computerized snubber test bench for testing of hydraulic snubbers or mechanical snubbers. This machine can test for up to 25 tons of load. So, this is heavy duty snubber test bench. This machine has been designed, developed, manufactured by Neometrics Engineering Private Limited, Noida, New Delhi, India. This machine consists of 5 major parts. First major part is the structure itself. This is high stiffness mechanical structure to test snubbers up to 25 ton. In this test bench, there is a moving plate in between. This plate can move both ways to accommodate different lengths of the snubber for testing, and this movement is done using this hydraulic cylinder, and there is this hydraulic lock which locks this plate wherever we want. So, the first key component of this snubber test facility is the high stiffness, heavy duty structure, mechanical structure with a moving plate. The second and very critical part of this hydraulic, this is a snubber test bench, is the servo actuator system. This complete system we call servo actuation system. This can simulate and apply any load up to 25 tons. It can generate any velocity that we want. It can generate any acceleration that we want. It is complete in itself. It is a hydraulic servo actuator with position transducer inside it, pressure transducer sitting here, load cell sitting here, servo valve, digital servo valve sitting here, communicating through digital protocol. There are accumulators on pressure line and return line. Using this hydraulic servo hydraulic actuation system, we test the snubbers. Right now what you see on this machine is a Query France make hydraulic snubber which is being tested. So, the first part was the structure, the test bed. The second part is servo actuator system. The third part is the hydraulic power pack which is sitting behind this. This is a 7.5 kilowatt hydraulic power pack with filtration system, cooling system, fully computerized, electronically controlled. It has got closed loop circulation system for cooling of the hydraulic oil. All the filters have clogging indicators, digital electronic clogging indicators, and they are all connected to the computer, as I will show you. The fourth important part is the instrumentation, the sensors that I talked about earlier also. There is a load cell here. This load cell tests what load is being applied on the snubber being tested. So, this load cell is a 25 ton load cell. It is a universal compression and tensile load cell. Then, as I discussed, there is a position transducer sitting inside it. There are pressure transmitters on both the ends, P and T ends. There are safety related emergency switches sitting here. There are multiple sensors on the hydraulic power pack. This is the instrumentation part of it. The complete system is fully computer controlled. So, complete system is fully electronics built, and everything is connected to the computer. The last and very important part is the controlling part of this system. So, this is the data acquisition and control system. This controls and operates the snubber test bench, and it records all the data. As I will show you in this snubber test bench, the first step is to select the snubber. So, if you want to test any snubber, you have to select a snubber, and the moment you select the snubber, the entire data gets populated. So this is the entire data of this snubber. As I told you earlier, it is query QU query France make hydraulic snubber, which is being tested here. This is the query make hydraulic snubber, and this is the data of that. So first we have to operate the hydraulic power pack. So my colleague will start the power pack. Now the moment he starts, you will see the hydraulic power pack has started. You can see the hydraulic power pack is being started, and once the hydraulic power pack starts, we can start the test. This test can run in manual mode as well as in auto mode. This shows the health of all the filters and all the valves and everything. We will now start the test. The moment we start the test, it asks you want to do manual or auto. We can do fully automated test. We are right now going to do manual test. So when we do manual test, these are the tests that are available, free operability test. And so as I discussed, no snubbers can be tested. Snubbers can be tested for any velocity, any acceleration. It can test lock velocity, it can test lock acceleration, it can test cyclic loading, it can do free operability test, it can measure the friction load or drag force. So this test bench can test 100% everything of any snubber. You can test here up to 25 ton, and we will just show you the free operability test. So we select the free operability test. The free operability test will start. This servo actuator starts moving, and it will take the snubber to 0 position, and then will apply load to start it moving, and it will bring the free friction load. We can monitor, we can see the friction load. This curve is load versus time. So right now it is going to 0 position. Actual position is you see it is 84 mm. It's a far off. So it will so this is the free operability test, and we can do all kind of tests, complete tests on this machine. My request to all our customers all over the world who are manufacturers of snubbers, you may be doing repair and maintenance of these snubbers, you may be using these snubbers in your plants for safety of your pipes and critical installations. You can use our test bench. It is international quality built, it is best in class, it is fully computerized, it is built, it can be built to your specification. If you have any requirement of snubber test bench for mechanical snubber or hydraulic snubber, please contact us on neometricsgroup.com. We are Neometrics Engineering Private Limited, based in Noida, New Delhi, India. Thank you very much.